Yeah, you're absolutely right. It's is the sound back up? It looks like it's all right. Great. All right. Nice. Okay. Thanks for taking care of that. Sorry about that, folks. These things happen. Pretty complex system, but I'm glad we're able to get it up and going. So, all right. So you know the drill. You've got 8 puzzles. You solve them. You solve them quickly, and take as much time as you want. That's allocated 10, 15, 20 seconds. The important thing is that you get it right, and then you move on. Okay. So it doesn't how fast you do it doesn't matter. And even if you don't get one right, or you run out of time, no problem. You're still in the game and you can compete. All right. So let's get started. Get going to question number 1. So the usual two numbers, 3, 9, and the desired result is 12. So we give you these to get you warmed up and also get used to the way of thinking. Which one is going to be the most popular answer? So it's not always, the race is not to the swiftest. It's also to anybody who's able to complete the race. So that's where we are. And so now you've got 9 plus 3 has been given by 18 people, and 3 plus 9 is by 2 of you. So it's a pretty simple solution here. So let's move on to question 2. 5, 9, and the desired result is 14. So the usual 9 plus 5 or 5 plus 9, and take a guess. Watch what everybody else is doing. How are your competitors doing? Are they doing large number plus small number, or small number plus large number? So that's how you learn. So 9 plus 5, 14. 20 of you have given the answer. And the other one, 5 plus 9, is by 2 of you. So the leader is now with 38 points. And let's move on to question 3, please. We've got 13, 10, and 5 with a desired result of 18. There are 8 possible solutions. And you can get 18 in 8 possible ways. So think about it. And I think your time has just run out. So go ahead and lock in your answers. Let's get, so we've got 5 different solutions being given. 10 minus 5 is 5. 13 plus 5 is 18. That's the most popular solution, with 5 of you giving that answer. So the leader is now with 43 points. And let's move on to question 4, please. 5, 7, and 9, with the desired result being 3. So these are simple numbers here. And remember, while you're solving it, the first thing is to make sure that you get it done within the 15 seconds that's allocated in this particular case. The clock's on your top right. And here come the points. And the leader's points are shown on the left side. And your points will be shown on the right side on the screen. All right. So the leader is at 55 points now. And 9 minus 7 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So you've got 12 of you solving it this way. So there's you're in sync. And so that's the number 1 solution. So let's move on to question 5. This is also going to be 3 numbers, I believe. So 10, 2, and 5 with the desired result being 17. And you've got 12 possible solutions. It's a pretty simple thing here. It's a matter of adding them up. But how do you add them up? What order in which are you going to add them? So that's the trick. And let's see how uniform you all are in getting this solution. So we've got 5 possible solutions. So 10 plus 5, and then 15 plus 2 is 17. So that's the most popular solution, with 8 of you giving that answer. The leader is at 63 points. One thing I would like to remind you is that please let your friends and family know about this game. Invite, and when you can invite them through the app, and when they accept your invitation and join, you get a life and they get a life also. Even if they have already started playing, you just tell them to put your code in and we give you both a life. And the life can be useful, especially when you don't know how to solve it or you're running out of time. You can just click on the heart button when you have a life available. All right, let's move on to question 6. So this is 4 numbers, 6, 9, 8, 5, and the desired result is 2. So, and you've got 60 possible solutions, 60 possible permutations and combinations that you can solve in. All right, so we can resolve that. I'm always curious, whenever there is this many possibilities, it's like a large buffet, right? Which solution do you pick up on? So you can pick, and I want to see how particular our people are. So our players have picked 3 out of the 60 possible solutions. So 6 minus 5 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and that's given by 8 of you. So the leader is now with 71 points. And let's move on to the next question, question 7. 7, 4, 8, and 6, and you have 20 seconds to solve it. And the desired result is 1. So this is, once again, you have 60 possible solutions. All right. So you have, you're almost about 5 seconds remaining at this point. And so most of you must have locked your solutions in by now. So we can collect the answers now. So once again, 3 possible solutions out of the 60 have been given. And the leader gets 10 points for this particular solution. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So that's how you get the most popular solutions. And so the leader is 81. Compare it to where you stand. You still have a chance to come back on the last question. Let's go to question number 8. 23, 6, 16, and 1 with a desired result of 2. So we've gone to a little bit more expansive double digits, right? So it's not very difficult, but still a little bit more challenging than what we used to give. So we've got 2 as a desired result. So obviously there's some subtraction involved in it, and I'm sure you've all figured it out and locked your answers in. Here's we are collecting the answers, and we've got the most popular solution is given by 9 of you. 23 minus 16 is 7, minus 6 is 1, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. So that gives 9 possible, 9 of you have given that solution. So just a quick reminder, I'm sure you're enjoying the game. Just go ahead and invite your friends and family in and let them join the fun in the upcoming game. So let's go take a quick look at who the winners are for this particular match. So we have 20 of you winning 25 cents each. Let's take a look at the number royale for the day is KPMJ with 90 points, Srinidhi with 88, and KVL at 87. Congratulations to each and every one of you who played the game today. I applaud you for participating in this fun game. And it's a pretty tough competition. You've got 20 of you, I think, have won 25 cents each. So, it's there's a range of points, and we've got everyone. You would have been announced as the winner on your screen, and you would know where you are. There's been a request for a leaderboard, but I think you know where you are, how much you have won, and and you can also get on the weekly leaderboard as well as all-time leaderboard if you keep playing consistently. So I thank you all for playing. And at this point, the next game is coming up at 9 p.m. IST. And this is Saktivel signing off. Just remember, without numbers, you're not even a 0. Be a hero, play Number Royale. Thank you all.